Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a low plank tripod. So there's a few different variations of this. It's a tripod because we're only going to be using 3 of our bases. So low plank is going to be pressing the earth away through your forearms, elbows directly under your shoulders, making sure that your upper back is engaged. We're going to squeeze our abs, we're going to squeeze our glutes, and we're going to flex our quads. This is going to help us get that nice, sturdy, balanced low plank. We can have our hands together or on the floor, whichever one works best for you. Once we're in a solid low plank, we're going to pick a limb and just hold it up. So it could be a leg, it could be a different leg, it could be an arm, it could be a different arm. All depends on how the workout is written for you, which I will take care of if you sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.